Hey guys, welcome to Mansi.design. Today we will see how to make Doctor's Day animation in After Effects. Please watch it till the end for a better understanding. So let's get started. So here you can see we have already composed our scenes through an Illustrator file. If you do not know the steps, you can watch my previous video. I'll give the link in the description box. Initially we are going to start from scene 1. First select the head of the boy and select the anchor by clicking Y and place it at the bottom of the head. And press R to open the rotation and set the keyframe and move the head and set the keyframe again. Then select all the keyframes, right click, keyframe assistant and easy ease. Then press watch by clicking Alt, then right loop out. Do the same for the other head also. Then for giving movement to the supporter, press Y to set the anchor point on the shoulder. Parent the other hand to the supporter's hand and press R to open the rotation and keyframe and move the shoulder and keyframe again. Select all keyframes, right click keyframe assistant and easy ease, then press watch by clicking Alt, then right loop out. Do the same with the boy's shoulder. In the second scene, parent the old man's hand part to the left hand, then set both the hands anchor point and keyframe on rotation, and move the hand and keyframe again. Then select all and easy ease by pressing F9 on the keyboard. Then press watch by clicking Alt, then right loop out. Now steps are similar to the last scene, so do as follow in the video and complete the rest of the scene. At the last, we'll animate the leaf first, solo the layer, then go to the effect and preset and type CC Bandit effect and drag it to the layer. Then set the anchor of the band effect and keyframe on Bandit and move forward the keyframe and move the leaves and set the keyframe. Do the same with the other leaves also. Then rest of the step is same for the hand movements. For text, go to the type tool and write your lines and select your font and go to effects and preset panel, type slow fade on and drag it to the layer. At the end, merge all the layers. Here you can see I have taken this lifeline. If you want to know how to make this, I will give the link above and in the description box. So this is it, you are good to go. Subscribe my channel and also watch the shorts for your reference.